Actually, ang ganda nga ng last time. Na-edit ko siya. Wow, nice. Pero next time, kailangan natin ng outline.
Is my content.
Okay.
Napaka-refreshing nga ito na ano, is good.
So where are we?
We are at the bathroom studio. Hindi ba lang kaya bathroom kasi ano, may reverb.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what are our equipments? We have
Here the,
a mic and what do we call this?
The audio interface.
Okay.
and this is a tabo. In the days we used tabo as like this to reduce the in the recording. Yeah. Okay. Sige sa. With her my heart is on.
Kaya kung mamaya kung tutuloy mo, tapos di mo may i-part by part natin.
Okay. Ayun na. Found my sweet release.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready. Hindi ba ako mukhang tunog ano dyan? Yung feeling ko kasi tunog mo yung boses ko.
Okay na siya eh. Kaso... Ayan. Okay na siya. Para sa akin okay na. Subukan mo lang ulit ng buo. Hit mo ulit yung may. Kulang lang eh, pero okay na. Hindi naman siya napahinga. Tapos... To your smile. Ganun kasi dapat yan eh. Ikaw, parang kulang ka ng mood.
To your smile.
Sa'yo kasi, your smile. Ganun eh. Your smile. Ganun dapat.
Your smile.
Tatlo.
Ganyan talaga. Huwag na pumunta sa phone yung ay. Teka.
On my...
Pag ganun, pag tinumokos mo, nawawala. Pero pag ginano mo lang. Found my sweet release. Found my sweet. Yabit! Okay.
Ang nangyari, oh, that I need. Dapat diretso. Oh, that I need. Tingnan mo dito yung waveform na kanto.
Parang yung teka. Oo nga sir, medyo malutong yung pagkapi ko eh.
Sa
Peace! Oo,
Pero at least kung yan yung mali, i-record lang naman ulit.
okay, yung whistle na peace.
Do you like to try?
Yeah, you'd like to try it.
No,
No, just listen to the music and
Yeah.
listen to your voice.
Okay. So where will I put this one?
It really, ang ganda no? Yung boses. My fears are fading away every time you're nearby.